Welcome to Aroma Sandolo Managed Farmland, creating a vision for stress-free living. At Aroma Sandolo Managed Farmland, our vision is to provide a peaceful, hassle-free lifestyle by offering premium farmland plots enriched with valuable plantations. Our goal is to blend nature's beauty with profitable investments, ensuring you experience both peace of mind and financial growth. Sprawling across 55 acres of serenity, nestled near Gauribidnur, our vast 55-acre farmland is perfectly positioned with excellent road connectivity, ensuring smooth access. A serene river flows nearby, adding to the site's natural charm. The region is surrounded by popular tourist attractions, making Aroma Sandolo an ideal weekend retreat as well as a profitable investment opportunity. Diverse plantations for greater returns. Each plot is enriched with seasonal fruits, mango, guava, pomegranate, and papaya. Medicinal plants, Lakshman Phal, Noni, fig, berry guava and drumstick. Exotic fruits, mangosteen fruit, rambutan, and peach, plum, pear. Our farmland is specially enriched with white sandalwood plantations, renowned for their exceptional qualities. White sandalwood is highly valued for its therapeutic, cosmetic, and religious applications. The demand for this rare wood is surging in multiple industries, ensuring remarkable returns. To ensure optimal growth and yield, our team adopts organic practices such as organic supplements, eco-friendly sprays, nutrient-rich compost. Our dedicated maintenance ensures healthy plants and long-term profitability. Relax, rejuvenate and enjoy. Aroma Sandolo isn't just about investment, it's designed to be a perfect vacation spot too. Our on-site amenities include comfortable guest house, family-friendly swimming pool, kids play area, badminton court, traditional jhula, serene gazebo, beautiful flower garden, dedicated vegetable growing area, animal and bird shelter for knowledge and entertainment. Our farm includes a special shelter where visitors can interact with animals and birds, providing entertainment and fostering an understanding of harmonious coexistence. Robust security services for complete safety. We prioritize your investment's security with professional security personnel, efficient watchdogs, high-quality CCTV surveillance, microchip tagging for each sandalwood plant, armed security guards, electric fencing for added protection, verified documentation for peace of mind. Our farmland's legal documentation is meticulously verified by our trusted legal team. We maintain records spanning over 65 years, ensuring clear titles and secure ownership. Exciting profit-sharing model. Enjoy a 60% profit share from the yield of all plantations, including the highly valuable sandalwood, promising significant returns over time. Zero maintenance for 16 years. With zero maintenance costs for up to 16 years, you can relax while your investment flourishes. 100% ownership and long-term benefits. We offer complete ownership of your plot. A secure MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. Guaranteed land appreciation for added value. Invest in farmland per timeless choice. Farmland investments have consistently proven to be stable and rewarding. With Aroma Sandolo, you can enjoy both nature's beauty and profitable returns. Join our free farm visits. We offer complimentary farm visits from Yeshwantpur, Sarkarnagar, and Yelahanka in Bangalore, giving you a first-hand experience of the serene beauty and lucrative potential of Aroma Sandolo managed farmland. Invest in Aroma Sandolo where nature meets prosperity. For more details, contact the number mentioned on screen and description.